Today I have got for you something very special. First tell me, what is love? Is it just an emotion? No, I don't think so. Love is something, it makes the world go round. We exist because of love. So should there be a particular day when you celebrate love? I don't think so. Every day should be your love day. So I have got for you something very healthy and super tasty. What if I tell you I'm going to make you a smoothie where you don't even have to make your breakfast because it has it all, power packed smoothie. So let's get started with the Blushing Glory smoothie, which is super healthy. What you need is a blender, nothing else. So if you don't have time for creating a elaborate breakfast, don't worry. Something like this can make you feel good, look good, and yet be very tasty. Strawberries. This is in season now and I love them. I think everybody loves strawberries. So handful of strawberries goes. Some bananas chopped. You can substitute your fruit. You can add fruits of your likings. Some yogurt. You can use a low-fat yogurt or high-fat yogurt, whatever you like. So yogurt will make it healthy again. Then comes all the healthy bits. Some oats. You know, oats is very high in fiber. Then add another superfood, chia seeds. It's making waves in the world. Some flax seeds, again another hero. So this is peanut butter. So add a dollop of peanut butter. So this is my proportion I'm using. You can change it according to your taste. I'm adding gur powder. I'm not adding sugar because I do not want to add sugar in my super healthy smoothie. Some honey goodness. I love the color of honey. Okay. And some milk also. Look at the layers. There's strawberries, there's banana. Actually, you can see through everything. Strawberries, bananas, yogurt, flax seeds, chia seeds, peanut butter, and your gur powder, honey has gone into it. All this needs now is a good mix. I'll close the lid and let the food processor do all the hard work for you. And voila! Look at the color. Didn't I tell you Blushing Glory? It blushes, see? Nice. So I will pour it out in this lovely jar. This is a smoothie on the go. You can carry this smoothie also to work. If it's the middle of the week, you don't have time to create anything special. This is special enough. It is thick, it's creamy, it's yummy, and it's good for you. I think in today's age, it's difficult to find such combinations. Normally we think which is tasty may not be healthy. No, not true. Some strawberries on top. And I'll garnish it with some slivers of almonds. Doesn't it look pretty? You can actually close your jar. So my super healthy breakfast on the go, which is super healthy, super tasty, nourishing, and it'll make you feel good and look good too. Cheers. So let's take a pledge to stay healthy. If you liked the video, please hit the subscribe button, like, comment and share.